So this is actually a really nice place. Just going to go over here and read the rules, make sure I can boondock, because I have boondocked here a couple of times. But I want to make sure, I'm just being respectful. That's one thing, if I can pass anything off on this channel is that, anybody can camp, don't get me wrong. But please clean up after yourself. Please follow the rules. Let's see here. Camping permits, open camps. So yeah, I think I'm still good. Just want to be sure. Some of these are kind of faded. You can't really read them too well. But just want to make sure you're being respectful. I think that's the biggest thing. So let's see here. Two videos ago, I was talking about, I just wanted to highlight these two issues. Reasons for why I chose a minivan. And two things actually came up. So one of the things that came up was, I had a friend, I was on their Facebook forum, and his Sprinter broke down. And AAA actually would not tow his Sprinter. Now, apparently it's not because of the size of the rig, and it's not that he didn't have special RV insurance or whatever, but it's because the vehicle was self-converted. And I guess it's like some sort of insurance issue if they tow it. So don't get me wrong, Sprinters are great and all, and I'm not hating on anybody. I think they're fantastic, but that might be another reason to go with a minivan. Just a thought. And I can't remember what the last one was. Can't remember what the last point was, but it was fairly minute. I'll actually put it down below in the description what the last point was. There were two extra points that I was thinking about making about choosing why I chose a minivan. So yeah. So here I got my place, got everything set up, kind of set up. It's gonna get dark, so I'm not gonna even bother putting out the solar panel. Let's see, here's my generator charged pretty well. %, that's pretty good. Okay. I actually should have probably charged it when I was on my way here. If I was in an emergency, which I'm not, I could always hook up my charger here to my port and charge it. I think it charges at like 70 watts, which is pretty sweet. I got everything set up for my chair and all that jazz. I got some chicken and broccoli that I'm going to make up in my propane stove because I'm getting kind of lazy. I don't want to wait for 3 hours while it's cooking in my other stove here, my Little Dipper. As you guys probably saw, I'm a big fan of these Little Dippers in my other videos. Yeah, this right here is my Little Dipper. I've even got an on-off switch, but that's for my mini frying pan. And this is actually a timer with an automatic off switch, which is cool. That'll stay on until I set it, until the time I set it, which is pretty neat. If I could just get this back in some way. There we go. So believe it or not, I think I almost have too much storage, and that's like blasphemy if you're in a minivan. Yeah, so I think I might have a little bit too much storage, believe it or not. And I was looking at doing the top here. I don't know if you guys can hold you up if you check out the top. I was thinking about putting a bigger solar panel on that, or maybe a roof rack, but I don't know what I'd put on there. So yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, I'm gonna set up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, where I just want to give a couple of tips about, why you would go ahead and consider not boondocking or anything like that. What was the topic? Oh, about building out, your minivan, and all that. The biggest problem I ran into. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for your subscriptions. Thank you for watching. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a walk next video if I can find where the trailhead leads. So yeah, it'll be here in a minute. So I just got to get set up. All right, peace.